cool. I haven't really vlogged well this week. I've done little clips here and there. That may or may not make it to a video. Maybe a leftovers video. I don't know. But I'm gonna vlog today. I will be at work for the majority of the day, but I will vlog what I can. You doing good, Alex?
Yep.
Good. Alex has his Dungeons and Dragons shirt on today, which is cool. You're doing your D&D club after school.
Yep.
That's gonna be awesome. And who's in this group with you?
Marley, 6 other people.
That's gonna be fun, Alex.
Maybe more.
Yeah, you're gonna have fun. You're gonna enjoy that.
Yeah.
I'd really like it if this one piece of hair would stay back. Stayed back. It's not gonna do that though. Means I'm gonna have to mess with my hair. Alright, let's go. I need to get that fixed.
What is even that noise? Thank you. Thank you.
I'm walking into the store and I run into a friend of mine that I used to work with. So that was cool. Got my lunch items. Yes, I'm buying soda. It helps me stay awake. What can I say? Tesla truck. So the friend that I ran into, she tells me she loves her new job and she is having lunch with the mayor today. She's amazing. The job that we had worked at before, my car needs to be fixed. That's just so bad. But I know when I call them, they're gonna be like, yeah, it'll take like 3 weeks before we can see you, and we can't give you a price until we can see you, and like, come on. And I don't know how to fix this issue myself. Anyway, she's loving her new job, and she's having lunch with the mayor today, and she's amazing. I remember when I started my job with her, she had started a couple months before I did. And I remember asking her, I'd been there like maybe a week or two, and I remember saying, you deserve better than what you're getting here. So I'm really happy for her. Okay. I'm gonna go on into work. And go from there. I got these little cracker things for lunch. I really like them. They're like cheese and crackers. These things. Cheese crackers. They're good meal. And they'll work. I just don't want to leave work today. I left work yesterday. I just had to get out of there. But I'd rather sit down and be able to do my own thing on the computer or go look at the airplanes on lunch break and then go off somewhere. So anyway, I had a really crappy day yesterday, and I got home and I got several messages from students that go to the school that I work at, and they were all sending me pictures of the F-22. There's an air show going down in Stewart, and the airplanes are being held up here for some reason. But it's cool. It's really, really cool to see. And that really made me happy. It's just nice when there's such great people. And they didn't know I was having a bad day. And it just made the day a really good day. Just heard it. I don't know where it went, but I just heard it. I don't see it though. I totally missed it. Where you at? Can you come back? I hear you. back out here again. I heard it again. I don't see it. I am walking down towards where the F-22s are. I'm so excited. I've been hearing them all day and I can't see them because they're so fast, and by the time I make it outside, they're gone. Can't get up as close this time. Doesn't seem like I'm gonna get any closer, so I'm just gonna go back to the golf cart, take it a little bit closer to where the other planes are, and go sit there and enjoy the rest of my lunch. I'm really excited. I'm probably not going to get to see one of them go off, but a lot of people have been sending me video and pictures, which is really cool. The F-22's back. I'm so excited. Officially, I think one of the best lunch breaks I've ever had. I got to see the F-22s. I'm so excited. So cool. Alright, now I seriously have to go back, but oh man, so cool. I got pizza. Should have probably gotten drinks, didn't think about it. So I'll probably have Alex go in and grab that before we actually leave town. But they have some really cute stuff. Oh my god, that Freddy. I want that Freddy. $60 though. $60, but he's so cool. Definitely not spending that on him. I'll see if I can find him online, much cheaper. But I don't think it'll be anytime soon that I'll find that. Anyway, I'm gonna go to Home Goods now. I also made an appointment for this car so that they can come out and do a mobile mechanic because that creak has gotten worse. That creak. And they're gonna charge $107 for a diagnostic. And then whatever the repair comes to. It is what it is. I'd totally forgotten about the mobile mechanics. I used them when this car needed spark plugs, and they were amazing. They came out, they did the work. It was great. The other place makes me wait like 3 weeks, and I'm so used to calling the other place that I didn't even think about it until today. Alright, I still have about 20 minutes before he's out of his program, and then I'm gonna go explore, see if I can find any cool stuff at Home Goods. Last time I was there, I found a Disney, what's it called? I'll have to show you. I can't think of the name right now. It's really cool. I have wanted them for years. Jim Shore. So. Hi, how are you? I'm at Home Goods. Where do you want me to be? Uh-huh. Do you want me to come up there and get you, or do you want to? Oh, that's the Jets. I hear them. Do you want me to come get you there, or do you want to come here? Okay. You did? You had fun? Good, Alex. I'm glad. I hear the Jets. Ah. All right. I'll see you soon then, okay? Love you. Bye. I talked to Alex. He says that he's a little further than he expected. So I'm going to go pick him up. He's really not that far, but it must feel like it. It's fine. I also talked to my aunt. She called while I was in the store. And we talked a little bit about... You can go. We talked a little bit about what was in the store. Did she need me to look for anything? How the day is going. Apparently the puppy is sick again. I could hear it. I just couldn't see it in there. The jet from earlier. But they must see it because they're pointing at it. I don't see it. I don't hear it. I gotta have Alex stop by the store to pick up some drinks because we're out of drinks, so. Can I send you into the store to go get drinks?
Sure. Which store?
What? The jet?
No, this.
The car?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, where?
Outside of the car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it more squeaky than normal?
Yep.
I called. Somebody's going to come by next week by the house
And fix it?
and fix it.
Okay.
So you had a good time, huh?
Yep.
Good. Back into Target to get drinks.
You have a pizza?
Yeah, we're having pizza. Pizza okay?
Yep.
Cool. Almost home.
Yeah.
It's also almost dark. Oh, I love her. I like how you did the curly shells at the bottom.
Doesn't she look like she's got a little ruffle around her dress?
Yes, I think it's perfect.